There is a $2 powder that permanently transforms dead, depleted soil into rich, productive growing ground, and it has been around for over 2,000 years. Big Fertilizer has known about it the entire time, and they have spent years making sure it never becomes common knowledge. Today, that ends. I am going to show you exactly what this powder is, where to get it for almost nothing, and how to start using it in your garden this weekend. The powder is called Biochar. It is a highly porous, carbon-rich material created by burning organic matter, wood scraps, corn cobs, or yard waste, at very low oxygen temperatures in a process called pyrolysis. The result looks like fine black charcoal, and it behaves unlike any other soil amendment you have ever used. Most amendments break down over a season or two and need to be reapplied year after year. Biochar does not break down. Once it enters your soil, it stays there and keeps working for hundreds of years. That is not a marketing claim, it is a scientific fact backed by soil samples from ancient civilizations. This is a one-time investment in your soil that compounds in value every single growing season you garden. Over 2,000 years ago, indigenous tribes deep in the Amazon basin were quietly solving the same soil problem home gardeners face today. The natural Amazon jungle floor is thin, acidic, and quick to lose nutrients, not ideal for growing food crops. But these tribes developed a technique that changed everything. They mixed charred organic material into their soil, alongside food scraps and organic waste, layer by layer, season after season. Scientists today call the result terra preta, which is Portuguese for dark earth. While the surrounding Amazon jungle floor remained thin and infertile, these ancient garden plots grew thick, black, and extraordinarily productive. Archaeologists have studied these sites extensively, and the remarkable detail is this: those same patches of terra preta are still among the most fertile soils found anywhere in South America today, more than 2,000 years after the tribes first created them. That kind of permanence is simply not possible with anything that comes in a synthetic fertilizer bag. Now here is where the story gets uncomfortable. The global synthetic fertilizer industry generates over $200 billion every single year, and that entire business model depends on one thing: repeat purchases. You buy the bag, you apply it, your soil becomes reliant on the chemical input, and you are back at the garden center next spring doing it all over again. Biochar breaks that cycle completely, which is exactly why it has never appeared in a major fertilizer company's marketing campaign. Once biochar is established in your soil, it is there for centuries. It does not leach away, it does not decompose, and it does not require an annual renewal. An amendment that a gardener buys once and never needs to replace again represents lost revenue on a scale no publicly traded corporation is willing to voluntarily accept. That is not a conspiracy theory, it is just business math. The reason biochar works so well comes down to microscopic structure. At the cellular level, biochar is riddled with millions of tiny interconnected pores and chambers. When those chambers are filled with microbial life and nutrients, which we will cover in a moment, they create a permanent housing complex for the beneficial biology your soil needs to thrive. Instead of nutrients washing away in the next rain event, biochar anchors them right in the root zone where your plants can actually access them. Research has consistently shown that biochar can increase a soil's nutrient retention capacity by 40 to 60%. That means the compost, fertilizer, and organic amendments you are already adding to your garden work significantly harder and last significantly longer. Biochar also improves water drainage in heavy clay soils, while simultaneously improving moisture retention in fast-draining sandy soils, solving two completely opposite problems with one single amendment. Getting biochar is far simpler than most people expect. Small bags of horticultural biochar are widely available at garden centers and online, typically running between $1 and $3 per pound. A single pound is enough to treat a standard 4x4 raised bed. For larger gardens, you can produce your own at home using a simple metal barrel, dry wood scraps from your yard, and a basic controlled burn. The cost is essentially nothing, and it allows you to recycle material you would otherwise be discarding. Purchasing biochar in bulk online dramatically reduces the per-pound cost as well, making it one of the most economical long-term investments available for improving your garden soil. Either path gets you to the same destination: permanent soil improvement for almost no money. Before you apply biochar to your garden, there is one critical step that most people skip entirely, and it is the most important step of all. Raw biochar is essentially empty. It has the porous structure to hold and retain nutrients, but there is nothing living inside those chambers yet. If you apply raw, uncharged biochar directly to your soil, It will actually pull available nutrients toward itself temporarily, reducing what your plants can access. The exact opposite of what you want. The solution is called charging. Simply mix your biochar with finished compost, worm castings, or diluted liquid fertilizer in a bucket and let the mixture sit for 48 hours before using it. During that window, microbial life and dissolved nutrients migrate into those porous chambers, filling them and priming the biochar to immediately support your soil biology the moment it goes into the ground. This step takes 2 days and changes everything about how quickly you see results. Before we move into exactly how to apply this to your existing beds and what kind of results to realistically expect, if this is the kind of practical, no-chemical organic gardening content you have been looking for, take 2 seconds right now and hit that like button and subscribe. This channel is dedicated to giving home gardeners real, proven solutions, and subscribing makes sure you do not miss what we have coming over the next few weeks. Applying charged biochar to your garden is completely straightforward. For existing raised beds or in-ground gardens, mix 1 to 2 cups of charged biochar per square foot into the top 6 inches of soil using a hand trowel or garden fork. For new raised beds being built from scratch, blend biochar into your soil mix at roughly 10% by total volume before filling the bed. For container gardens, a 10 to 15% biochar addition to your potting mix works well and will measurably improve both drainage and nutrient retention across multiple growing seasons. The most important point to remember is that this is a one-time application. Unlike compost, which breaks down and needs annual replacement, biochar is permanent. After the initial application, your only ongoing job is to continue feeding the living biology in your soil with compost and organic matter. The biochar handles everything else from that point forward. Most gardeners notice their first signs of change within the initial 2 weeks of a biochar application. Drainage improves almost immediately in clay-heavy soils, and moisture retention noticeably increases in fast-draining sandy ground. Within the first 30 days, stronger root development becomes visible when transplanting or checking container plants, and foliage tends to deepen in color, a reliable sign of improved nutrient uptake happening at the root level. By the end of your first full growing season with biochar established in the ground, the yield difference compared to your previous seasons is typically significant enough that neighbors start asking what you changed. The important thing to understand about biochar is that results compound over time. The longer it is in your soil, the more established the microbial communities inside it become, and the more efficiently your entire garden ecosystem functions. Year 2 is consistently better than year 1. Here's a quick recap of everything we covered today. Biochar is a carbon-rich, highly porous soil amendment that permanently improves nutrient retention, water management, and microbial activity in your garden soil. Amazon tribes used it to build terra preta, soil so fertile it is still productive more than 2,000 years after it was first created. The global fertilizer industry has no financial incentive to tell you about a one-time amendment that eliminates repeat purchases. You charge it with compost for 48 hours. Mix it into the top 6 inches of your soil at 1 to 2 cups per square foot, and it goes to work improving your garden for centuries. No additional cost, no annual reapplication, no chemicals. If this video helped you, please hit the like button right now. It is genuinely the most effective way to help this channel reach more organic gardeners who are still spending money every spring they do not need to spend. Make sure you are subscribed so you do not miss our upcoming videos, and drop a comment below telling me, have you ever used biochar in your garden before, or is this the first time you are hearing about it? I see every single comment, and I would genuinely love to know where you are starting from.